The top benefits of stone cladding. Dear friends, when you want to give a natural look to your building, stone cladding is the best option. Stone cladding has evolved as a smart way of renovating your home and enhancing its beauty. With numerous advantages of stone cladding, your home can stand out uniquely. Some of the top benefits of stone cladding are: gives a natural look to the house. When you install cladding in your house, it offers a natural look to your rooms. Starting from the gray look to the sandstone effect, you can get a number of options to achieve the natural look. With a wide variety of style options, you can choose the one that meets your taste and preference. With natural stone paving, you can even enhance the exterior look of your house. Provides insulation against extreme weather conditions. Apart from making your building more attractive, the stone cladding can also help in providing optimum insulation to your home. As the stone contains natural materials like silicate and calcium, they are ideal for effective protection against extreme weather conditions. With stone cladding in both your interior as well as the exterior of your house, achieving protection against extreme heat, rain calamities, and frost damages become possible. Enhance the property value. It is one of the major advantages of stone cladding. Every house owner desires to sell his property at the best price. By adding versatility, durability, and strength to your walls, stone cladding help in increasing the value of your property. The natural stones can add a classic as well as modern look to your house, which in turn increases the price of your property. Provides insulation to rooms. While the stone claddings are mostly installed for aesthetic purpose, it also provides insulation to your rooms. It helps in preventing heat loss from your rooms. With some thorough research, you can find out which type of cladding can provide optimum insulation to your rooms. Through effective insulation, the dependence on the electrical appliance reduces. This ultimately helps homeowners to make significant savings on their utility bills. Easy to maintain. Easy maintenance is another major benefit of using stone cladding. With longevity, durability, and weather-resistant properties, maintaining the stone cladding is easy. Simply using plain water, you can easily remove the stains and dirt. When it comes to restoring the shine of the stones, the normal detergent solution can work like magic. In case of rainwater or snow on the exterior or interior, strong wipers can conveniently remove them. Plenty of customization options. Among all the advantages of stone cladding, the customization option is a major reason behind its growing popularity. With plenty of styling and finishing choices available in stone cladding, you can easily customize them and add a unique touch. Whether you want linear styles, 3D effects, or any other pattern, you can easily avail of them. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.